So I took those principles, and I am using them. And every time somebody comes with a question, like this, we have Charlie AI, this generative AI thing, and this other generative AI thing. What I'm doing is I'm asking 3 questions to know if we should buy it, if we should build it, if we should shape it. Is from my perspective as a builder, I ask 3 questions. Is it complex or is it simple? So for example, ChatGPT is something very complex. I don't think I have the expertise, or me or my team, to build something like that. But if I need to build a model that is, to target our clients or to do a segmentation, it's something fairly simple. So that's something I can build. Also, complexity can be in terms of the data that is required. Is it something that, we need just a little bit of data, or we need terabytes of data as ChatGPT? So that would be in terms of complexity. The second question is if it's genetic or if it's customized to our needs. If it's generic, for example, the language models are very powerful. However, a language model is very generic because it's based on language. We all speak the same language, and it's not even related to the industry. It's related, to like every industry or the company is speaking sort of the same language. So questions that are related to the language models can be applied to my company as your company. So it's very generic. But something related to our clients or to our industry, then is more customized to what we need. And the third question is the level of use of our internal data. So when we're targeting our clients, the most powerful thing to target our clients is going to be our internal data. So probably also when we need our internal data, we need to do it ourselves. But then is another perspective, that is the implementation perspective. And we have here today many people talking about generative AI and how it can do hallucinations, wrong answers, etc. So currently, it's not something that we can trust. So when we're using generative AI, we might not be able to trust it yet. I was having a conversation with Jim this morning, and he's expecting that in 18 months, we'll be able to trust it a little bit more, that it's going to develop. So for me, what that means is that in 18 months, I will have to change that slide. For the rest, when we have the regular AI models that we can check our precisions, and if we have a high precision, for example, or accuracy of the model, we can trust that outcome. And then we can, because in the top, we talk about augmentation, which means that always a human has to be involved, and we cannot let the model just go crazy and take decisions and do things directly to our clients. But when we build models that are simple, that are deterministic, and that give you an answer that you can trust, then you can do automations. For example, you target your client, and then you directly send an email to the client. Or junk mail is an example of automation, where the emails that are targeted as junk mail go directly to your junk mail instead of asking you every time, or somebody actually checking if it's junk mail or not. So